What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and I'm on my local trail. And just prove that I'm not gonna be using my e-bike the whole time. Got my Polygon Siskiu T8. I'm already 3.1 miles in, and I was gonna make a different kind of video today. However, I don't know if you can see, but my bike is very muddy, and it was almost clean. It's dusted from previous rides, but it's all muddy. And the reason is, well, first of all, I was gonna make a video of doing that route all the way to the other bridge. It's probably about two and a quarter, 2.5 miles or something like that. But the reason I wanted to record the whole thing is because we have a Facebook page over here, and there's this guy that's been running that segment for a while and always improving his time. I think he started like at 8 point something, and now is below 8 minutes right now. And the last time that I checked that I did it, it was on July the 27th, and I actually did it in 10 minutes flat. However, I was already like 5.5 miles into the workout before I did that segment, and I did it with no intention of beating anybody, and I did it on this bike. So I just wanted to get do like a warm-up, 2-mile warm-up, and then start, and then come over here so I'll be a little bit fresher, because that's usually kind of like what he does. However, when I started taking that route, like literally I live like a block away from the trail. My house is dry, and whenever I started going into it, I started seeing like a little drops like coming from the trees, and then all of a sudden the single track was really muddy, slippery, bad. I almost I had to step off the bike on a little climb, and I was sliding, my shoes was sliding, so I couldn't actually get to the other side of the trail. And I'm pretty sure at least 1/3 of that segment is gonna be completely wet on the other side. So that's why I didn't do that video today. He's like, the last time he did it, he actually got a GoPro mounted and recorded the whole trip, and I wanted to do the same thing today. But I guess I'm not gonna be able to, because I don't know how wet that other side is gonna be. I don't want to destroy the single track, plus it's just mud, so my tires are gonna be slipping the whole time, so it's not worth doing it today. I guess I can take care of that one some other time, and then meanwhile just get a little bit stronger. So I'm gonna keep riding for a little bit longer, see what part of the trails are dry, what are wet. Just if they're wet, just get off of it, and then head home. Just a quick Sunday workout. But other than that, as soon as I get home, I'm gonna have to like just hose wash this thing, remove all the mud off of the gears and everything, get it ready for our next ride. Other than that, that was just a quick update today. Like I said, I'm still riding my bike. My e-bike is at home. I'm not using it today. I don't want to lose that strength that I have built up. It's not that much anyway, but whatever I have, I want to just keep building, because I do mountain bike for 2 different reasons. Well, 3: fun, workout, and because I like it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to support the channel, link down in the descriptions. Other than that, that is gonna be it for today. Again, proof that I'm still riding this. It is Sunday the 8th. That's it for this one, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.